just tell us something yung role dito mo sa Bini?
The name speaks for himself. Andres Bonifacio ito. So, bilang asawa ni Oriang, si Gregoria de Jesus. Napakita dito, of course. Kilala naman natin siya lahat. Pinagdaanan niya, anong ikinamatay niya, what he stood for. So, long overdue na dapat mapakita ito. So, of course, we show also equality with both genders and of course yung strength ng isang babae.
How is it working with Lobby Fo dito sa film na to?
It's been a long time actually. Honestly, yun nasa 9-10 years to in the making. It has been through some challenges, pero sa awa ng Diyos na itapos ni Direk Ellen, and very proud to be part of this kasi how ironic na nakasama din ako sa How ironic na nakasama ko sa Maria Clara Ibarra, kung saan Andres Bonifacio.
Pero nauna to
actually. So, mukhang ang itsura ko pang period talaga.
Ito ba yung pinakamatagal mong pelikulang ginawa? 10 years?
Actually, yes. So, it's easy to say na hindi ko makakalimutan. So, it's very hard also to do. Hindi basta-basta makakapag-adlib dito. And you have to portray someone important. So, everything had to be on point.
Challenges you encounter doing this?
Challenges were definitely yung clothes, yung init, at yung salita. Hindi tayo ganito magsalita dati. So, yung nuances, kung saan nagpo-pause, very formal ang pagsalita. So, those were the things na pinantayan ni Direk Jeff and Direk Ellen.
How was it like working with Lovie, all of it on this film? 10 years ago and also parang this year.
Itong last leg, halos hindi ko na sila nakasama. Well, si Lovie kasi nasa ibang bansa. So, mas ako ang nagtapos ng pelikula and other cast. But alam niyo naman history namin. Kami pa nung time na ginagawa ito. Of course, working with Lovie is a lot of fun. Lalo na being someone who has witnessed her growth sa showbiz and yung caliber niya sa pagdating sa actingan. So, syempre, andun ang pressure. Andun ang pressure na lumevel sa kanila ni Paolo. It was fun and I'm just really glad na we were able to finish it and finally showcase it. Kasi at this hard time in our lives ngayon, maraming galit. Kailangan natin ng mga ganito to remind us what we're fighting for.
Can you expound that? Maraming galit.
Baka ma-invite ako sa maging resource pa ako. Pero isa ako I'll be very transparent. Isa ako sa mga galit sa nangyayari ngayon at hindi karapat-dapat. Alam mo, lahat tayo taxpayers and we want to see where the money is going. And may pag-asa talaga tayo na umunlad sa bilang isang first world country.
Maraming ang nagsasabi na even up to now wala pa rin nakukulong, wala pa rin mga napaparusahan after all the rallies and that.
Darating tayo dyan. Lahat naman tayo may hangganan So, I believe, basta gawin lang natin ng tama. Walang violence. Makakamit din natin yung justisya. And kailangan lang natin magtulungan.
Paano ka lang nakarelate sa character mo dito bilang Andres? Ano yung pagkakapareho niyong dalawa?
Marami sa mga roles ko nagpapakita ng loyalty and pagmamahal sa bansa, sa kapwa Pilipino tulad ng Encantadia, kung saan isa akong general. Dito, bilang Andres Bonifacio, yung pagmamahal and standing up to what's right. Yun, isa akong Navy Reservist. So, bilang isang personal ng AFP, naniniwala ako sa dapat may unity. And hindi mangyayari yun kung hindi ka magle-lead by example. So, sa lahat ng makakaya kong powers para maging boses ng mga kabataan lalo na ngayon, I will do it. And yun ang naman ang akin eh. We have to all lead by example. Huwag tayo maging corrupt, people will follow.
Ano lang expect ng mga tao rito sa film na to?
Further understanding on what it's like to be nationalistic. And wanting to have a better future. Dito, pinaglalaban natin ang independence natin. And I think this is what we need to fuel everything that we want to achieve.
Please invite them.
Yeah. matagal na po ito. Finally, it's coming out on behalf of Lovie and Paolo and yung buong cast, yung Christina Pareño. Showing na po ang Lakambini sa theater. Please support, please understand, so we can all together know and fight for what's right.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.